The rules of the power in R or in real numbers. The first rule says that a power m time a power n, because the same base, the base here is the same, so we write it a and make an addition for the powers. So it will be a power m plus n. The second rule, if we have the same base and between them division, so the result will be like the same. A power n over a power m, we put the same base and make subtraction for a power. So it will be a all power n minus m. The third rule, if you have two bases, a and b, they are the different numbers, or like 2x, 3x, any expression. So it will be a power n, we will distribute the power a power n and b power n. Rule number 4, a over b all power n, it will be a power n over b power n. We distribute the power the same. Rule number 5, a power m all power n, you have here two powers, so we will make multiplying for them. So it will be a power m times n. Rule number 6, any number or any expression all power 0, the result will be 1. So a power 0 equals 1. 2x all power 0 will be 1. 3x all power 0 equal 1. Anything all power 0 equal 1. Rule number 7, a power negative n, to write it as a positive power, so we will write 1 over a power n. Rule number 8, if you have a fraction all power negative power, like a over b all power negative n, so it will be b over a all power n. Rule number 9, if the base equals the base, so the power equals the power. And conversely, if the power equals the power, so the base equals the base. So the examples of this lesson divided in two types. The first type is how we make simplifying for the expression, and the second type that we solve the power equation. We will see in the example. Now this example on the first type, example 1, simplify. 4 power n times 6 power 2n over 2 power 4n times 3 power 2n. Solution. First, we know that 4 will be 2 power 2. So we remove 4 and put 2 power 2 all power n. Time, we know that in 6, 2 times 3. So we will write 2 times 3 all power 2n. Now we can use the rules of the power. The denominator here, we'll write it as the same, because the 2 will be 2 and the 3 will be 3, the same. They are prime numbers. We can't make a factorization for them. Now 2 power 2 all power n, because they are 2 powers, so we multiply the 2 powers, so it will be 2 power 2n time. We will distribute the power here, 2 times 3 all power 2n, will distribute the power, so it will be 2 power 2n times 3 power 2n, and we write the denominator the same, which is 2 power 4n times 3 power 2n. Now we will see that 2 power 2n in the numerator times 2 power 2n, because the base here is the same, so we write the base and then make an addition for the powers. So 2n plus 2n will be 4n. So it will be 2 power 4n times 3 power 2n. And the denominator will be also 2 power 4n times 3 power 2n. We will cancel from the numerator 2 power 4n with 2 power 4n in the denominator, and cancel 3 power 2n with 3 power 2n from the denominator, which is the expression simplifying of it will be 1. Now the second type, that we will solving the equation. Find the value of n and the x, or solve the equation. Equation number 1, 2 over 5 all power 2n plus 1 equal 8 over 125. 2 over 5 all power 2n plus 1 equal, we know that in the 8 will be 2 power 3 and 125 will be 5 power 3. So the expression here will be 2 over 5 all power 2n plus 1, and because 2 power 3 over 5 power 3, we can write it as 2 over 5 all power 3. Since the base equals the base, which is 2 over 5 and 2 over 5, so we can say that the power equal power. 2n plus 1 equals 3. Now we can solve it as an example, as an equation. Plus 1 move to the other side by minus 1, so it will be 2n equal 3 minus 1, which is 2. So move it 2 to the other side by divide, so it will ln equal 1. The second example, 3 power x minus 1 equal 27. Now we wanted to make the base equal the base. So we wanted to find 3 power what equal 27. It will be 3 power 3. So 3 power x minus 1 equals 3 power 3. Since the base equals the base, so the power equals the power. X minus 1 equals 3. So x equals 3 plus 1 equal 4. Another example, 3 power 2n minus 5 equal 1. Since we know that anything power 0 equal 1, so we can remove 1 and write it 3 power 0 to make the base equal base to find the power. So 3 power 2n minus 5 equal 3 power 0. So 2n minus 5 equal 0. So moving minus 5 to the other side, so 2n equals 0 plus 5, which is 5. Now to find the n, we will move it 2 to the other side by divide, so it will be 5 over 2. Example number 4, 3 power x equal 81 and 4 power x plus y equal 1. Then find the value of x and ly. First, we will search on 3 power what will be 81, so it will be 3 power 4. So 3 power x equals 3 power 4. Now since the base equal base, which is 3 here and also 3 here on the second side, so the power equal power, so x equal 4. Now by substitute in the other equation, which is 4 power x plus y equal 1, so it will be 4 power lx, which is 4. So 4 power 4 plus y equal 4 power 0. Since the base here is 4 and the base on the other side will be 4, so the power will be equal power. 4 plus y equal 0. So moving 4 to the other side by the opposite sign, so y equal negative 4. Example number 5. If 8 power x times 9 power x over 18 power x equal 64, then find the value of x. First, we have to factorize each number. Since we know that 8 power x will be 2 power 3, so it will be 2 power 3 all power x. And we know that 9 will be 3 power 2, so it will be 3 power 2 all power x. And the factorization of the denominator here, which is 18, so it will be 2 times 9. And we know that in 9, 3 power 2, so it will be 2 times 3 power 2 all power x. Now, using the rules of the power, so the numerator will be 2 all power 3x, because power and power we will make a multiplying for them, so it will be 2 power 3x times 3 power 2x, and the denominator will distribute the power, so it will be 2 power x times 3 power 2x. We will take the base of 2. Since between them is a divide, we use the rule of the power that we make subtraction between the powers, because the base equals the base. So the power 2, the base 2 equal 3x minus x times the base 3 will be 2x minus 2x equals 64 will be 2 power 6. So 2 power 3x minus 2x will be 2x times 3 2x minus 2x will be 0 equal 2 power 6. Since 3 power 0 equal 1, so 2 power 2x time 1 will be 2 power 2x equal 2 power 6. So since the base equals the base, 2x equal 2 power 6, so we can say that the power equal power 2x equal 6. So move the 2 to the other side by divide, so x equal 6 divide 2, which is 3. Now the last example number 6, if 4 power x equals 7, then 4 power x plus 1 equal what? Between the powers here is a plus, so we'll make multiply between the two base. So the two base will be 4 power x times 4 power 1. Since 4 power x equals 7, so we remove 4 power x and write it as a 7. And 4 power 1 equal 4, so 7 times 4 equal 28.